Hello, folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. Another important tip for you. You can able to understand this. Let's learn what is IBAN and who is responsible and why we needed this in real time actually. Okay. So IBAN. Okay. This is a term specifically belongs to the bank related master data. Okay. So IBAN means international bank number. Okay. Where exactly you have to maintain. It is maintained at customer level and vendor level. Why it sounds for purchasing and sales unknown to like beginners, like who haven't started their real time work. Let me try to explain you. Okay. So before that, I would like to request you. Currently, I'm holding like 845 videos and a lot of content. If you watch a single video, it will take 2 years for you. Okay. Of course, you are very good to learn. That is a different story. So this is my YouTube channel. You can able to give a try. And this is my dedicated SAP, uh, you know, I'm just going to transfer my knowledge at a wider level. If you look at this, currently I'm holding this course 113 hours. It will be updated continuously, okay, back to back. These are the two courses I recommend. One is for real-time idoc training for every consultant who would like to become a functional consultant. This is for getting master to write functional specification. Without this, never ever try for your job trials. You'll find that difficulty. Okay. In work also, see at work level, it's not all about your interviews, right? So I have different courses. I'm just providing these links below this video. Let's get into the topic. Okay. So we're from sales side. Do we think that we need to maintain certain times rollout? If any upload file is there, depends on the guidance from the finance, you have to upload it. But most of the times it is not required. It is not your responsibility. When it comes to the work of creating IBANs, international bank account numbers, and their updation. Okay, let's check. Let me show you one of the customer. So for example, so I'll just try to take this one. Okay, so if you come here, okay, payment transactions. Now look at this, the country, bank key, bank account number. These three combination will call it as an IBAN. The value will be come here. Okay. So let me try to explain you. Okay. So if you click here, you will get the information what exactly the IBAN is all about. Okay. So let me try to brief you. Okay. This is banky. This is country. This is ISO country. Okay. What is the combination? So this is for knowledge actually. So this is actually handled by FICO consultants. Okay. Bank keys and countries, their respective countries will be defined by them. Okay. So now if you look at here, okay. So if you see this ISO of the country in red color, so actually, you need not maintain configuration red color for your understanding. Okay, for differentiation. So ISO the country, 2-digit country and 2-number check digit. It is required. Okay, and country accepted bank number. Okay, so it is international bank number, right? So that means it will be always like this. Okay, so who will maintain this data? Who is responsible for this activity? Actually, even it is available in sales, customer or purchase vendor general data. This data is maintained by FICO consultants. What that means, finance consultants, because you don't define bank account, you don't define bank key. Of course, country is available. Okay, so that is common for everyone. So like ISO country. Okay, so account holder is maybe customer or payer, whatever it may be the case, depends on that. Okay, so this is defined by that. Let's see this. Let me show you the example. This is additional knowledge actually. If you see, if you take this bank master record, okay, there is one transaction called FI01. It's actually like what I would say, it's actually out of discussion for SD and purchase consultants, but in real time, If you're working in rollouts and certain projects, if someone is pushing the work, it is your responsibility. You must have intelligence. What is yours and what is others' work and where we are together working. That's why we require knowledge. It's not much important, but still it is important in certain context for rollout project. If you see this, so for example, if I give bank country as a DE as a filter, I will get all German related. So if you see this bank key, when it is got created and created by whom, name of the bank and street, all these are the bank details, you will get it. Okay. So let me try to show you where is our, what I would say, okay, IBAN numbers, where I can able to find it out. So you can able to find here, this is the table, TI ban. Okay. Here if you give, so let me run here, you can able to see all the, bank keys, bank accounts and ISO country. And this is the combination of concatenation. Okay. The number will come like this. What is the advantage of IBAN actually? So this is basically, to reduce the risk when you do purchase and sales activities. So it is so the combination of your IBAN and in bank, you will have, there is something called shift key. These two are more important to do the transactions. Okay. So what is shift key? We'll discuss. If you ask any bank person, so they will explain, that is a different story. Okay. So the current topic is IBAN. Okay. This is how your IBANs will be stored in this table. Okay. So let me try to help you. Okay. So I don't want to create it. Okay. Let me show you one thing. FI01. Okay. This is the place where they will create, finance guys, they will create what I would say, bank account. Okay. Bank key they're supposed to give. This is basically 12 digit. Suppose I put it some numbers like this. Okay. Maximum it will allow 12 digit. If I press enter. Okay. So length is 8. Okay. Some restriction is there. 2, 3, 4, 4 per DE, Germany country. Actually, other countries, it might be different. Okay. So maybe like 5, 5. Okay. Press enter. Now, if you come here, you can give the bank name. So DB Bank. This is one of the project I have worked actually, Tosha Bank. So I haven't created all these things. Okay. This master data is belongs to finance. Okay. You can able to take the region, you can fill all these details. Okay. Maybe Hamburg. So let's take the street, some street, Galaxy, okay, city, Hamburg, okay, North, street, main branch, okay. So these are the bank details. This is, okay, like in a shift code. I'm just giving this something like this, okay. So we don't require all these things. So if you would like to fill some data here also, let's save this. Okay. So it is asking shift code must be 11 for Germany. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Full data. Okay. No problem. So first 4 characters shift code must be letters. Okay. No problem. We'll do that. So this is something like, okay, DE, W. Okay. So let's put it. Okay. It's now accepted. So this is just a warning. So we save. See, this is how the bank actually is not required for your understanding. I have shown you how we can able to enter the shift code in our customer master. Let me show you that you can try it if you really want it with existing. Don't create all these things. IBAN also we don't require to create it, just for our your understanding. I am explaining here. So let me check the country what you would look like. So this is I'll take Germany only. Okay, as an example. You can take, if you want, you can take India also. No one will stop you. Okay, Germany. Let me take the bank key. Okay, so bank key, if I would like to make it this one, okay, I press enter, I'll get the list actually. This is like a search. If you know the details specific, also you can able to do that. Okay, So like somewhere anywhere DB Bank, someone has created this one. This is just now we created, right? Galaxy or something like that. Okay. So bank account number. So how many digits? Let's see this. Okay. So account holder, Raidu. Okay. And give the country. This one also B. Okay. So let's try to save this. Go inside payment transaction. Okay. So actually, if any existing is there, okay. So if existing with this search existing is there, IBAN value must be generated. For that, what you can able to do is, so it's simple. So I told you the table, right? To accept this one, okay, existing one. SC16, and we can take any existing one, okay. So let's try to give the. Let me share this screen. Otherwise, you don't understand what I'm trying here. Okay. So let's put it the bank entry as D. Okay, let's try to check if an IBAN got generated. So I can take bank key. With this example, how it will be generated, I will show you. Okay, this one from here. This is not our cup of tea. Still, I am telling you. Okay, just copy this. One second. Okay, and let me take the bank account which is associated with certain IBAN. Okay. So let's copy this bank account. Okay. Let me copy this. Copy it correctly. Let me check this one. So only this much is there. So we can try our own ones also. If the finance consultant if he is in our hand. Okay. Let's put this one as CK. Let me so 2 3 2 3 2 3 4 times. Okay. So 0 1. So bank is something different. 100, 100, 10. This is 2323, 23. Let's check. Why it is not copying properly? I don't know. So this is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Yeah. So you can take any example. Okay. Who is the account holder? Let's say this. Okay, if I give this one bank account, oh, the current one which I created, okay, I don't want to take this one. Better take this one actually. So for this also it is got generated. Okay, no problem. Let's see this. So 01 is the key. Okay, let's save this. So now you can see this. If I click this one, so now it's picked the detail, right? So IBAN number, you can able to see this one, right? This is how it will be generated. So let's click this. See now how it came. You have to click this one. You have to get the IBAN number like this. This is like, for your international bank transaction. For example, this is DE and this is the country where the cross-border transaction you require. This is how it has to work actually. But save this, it will allow us, if you would like to check in change mode also, it will be there. Like that, it is how it is happen. So right, you can able to write it this one, no issues. Okay, account holder name, but in real time, it will be with real time details. So I think you understood, right? So what you have to remember this on this context. So what is IBAN? Maybe like, real time guys are so funny. Okay. Actually, these questions shouldn't ask for SD consultants. Sometimes they will think that they're on the sky. Okay. So I don't want to allow any uh, because of this question, someone not supposed to lose their, ego before interviewer. Learn this. So if you learn cross module also, it is very, very important, but it is a version. So don't be jack of all. Okay. Learn little and you shouldn't be, uh, none in master. You should be master in one. You're an SD consultant. You should be master in this. Okay. That is more important. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session. Okay. This took little time. No problem. I think your learning is more important for me. Wishing all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat. Let's catch up in next session. Till the time, signing off, Jagdish Kumar Raidu.